Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Starbucks Corporation traded at NASDAQ, ticker name SBUX. Well, who doesn't know Starbucks? Probably there are no people like that, and of course as a company providing coffee and various drinking opportunities, Starbucks was strongly impacted by COVID lockdown that happened actually a very deep day of market of this year, 16, 17 of March. And we see indeed the price really went down hardly and then actually started to recover, and the recovery went quite well with several trend lines. So there was first like a fast recovery that lasted until 11 of May. Then we had some stabilization period, and now we are finally in the positive recovery trend. And you can really see that the first trend was going quite rapidly, quite fast. Trend 1 line with 3 waves. It finished at March 11, then the stock started to stabilize. Trend line 2, although it made very nice wave up at June 8, but then there was sudden breakage of the wave, and then trend 2 was 2 times actually reconfirmed. And now what we see, it slowly starts to again positively go up with nice waves reconfirming the new trend, trend 3 in the beginning of August. Then we had another wave in 17 of August, and now we are in the another wave. And if you look at this wave, what you can say about this wave, that it's now in its peak, and this wave coincides now, the peak actually is a little bit higher than the top of the previous maximum on June of 8, and this might create some doubt here for the price action, and that's why you see also like yesterday and today it was a combination of white candle and then a doji of today, also going slightly in overbought area by RSI. What does this mean? This means that actually also in combination with MACD that went double positive wave. So previous wave was positive, then without going to a negative zone we have another positive wave. This overall slightly decreases the bullish behavior. Also, no need to forget that we are running in the second COVID wave, and Starbucks is strongly affected by this. So this might cause some doubt, but definitely it will not reverse the stock. Of course, most probably it will be just again reconfirmation of trend free line. Then the question is how it will reconfirm. Well, here we have two general scenarios. Scenario 1 is actually Starbucks will do a sudden move up to go the so-called beast mode, when the wave goes slightly up, and then instead of nicely finishing itself, it just suddenly jumps and then breaks. This is called the beast mode, the second part. This might happen, we will see it by opening of tomorrow actually. So if you are in a position, it may be wise to wait 1-2 days. Second situation, what might happen here is a slight decrease. So the classical wave, indeed it will follow this fully dark line, and then we'll go to trend line 3, and then this will open opportunity to buy actually exactly when it will be in the vicinity of the trend 3 line. So it means we need to wait. And the final situation here, which is similar to the latter one, but it could be a sudden breakage of the wave like this. For example, like it took place at 8th of June, it was like sudden break. And this would mean like a little bit deceleration at trend free line, but overall, yeah, it wouldn't mean too bad on the longer period. So if this green path takes place, it might pierce slightly trend line 3, and then it can actually stabilize at either moving average 200, which is this red line, or moving average 50, which is blue line heading up. Anyway, these both lines are very close to each other and about to form magic cross up. So this area will be very good buying opportunity, strong buy with a lot of supports in between. And actually vicinity of trend line 3 will be also interesting buy opportunity, because then next wave can be expected here to buy. Anyway, we also need to follow the news, because of course this stock is strongly impacted by overall quarantine situation. Once everything is lifted, of course it will recover generally, and in that sense, mid or longer term, it's of course safe to buy almost at any moment, but if you want to catch a wave, being more like short-term player, you need most probably to wait for the vicinity of trend-free line. Or if it goes really like a beast mode, then some correction, and then towards, let's say, these levels you can buy again, which by that time again would be in actually the vicinity of the red line. So in both cases, the first dark circle will be first buying opportunity, keeping some funds for average down. The second dark circle would be a better buy opportunity. Rarely it might go here. Still, it's a question if it will go to circle 2, but circle 1 definitely should be observed soon. So the trend-free line is to be confirmed. And for the moment, even with this slight second wave restrictions that we have, there is no major expectation that the sales will drop for Starbucks, and actually the trend-free line should be either confirmed or accelerate overall. In that sense, its vicinity is a good buying opportunity. So knowing that, you can now plan your strategy for Starbucks. And for the moment, that's it for Starbucks. So good luck with it. And also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss new videos, new analysis, and new opportunities for US-based stocks.